Imagine waking up every month and getting paid, even while you sleep, travel, or relax at home. That's the power of passive income in 2026. But here's the truth. Most passive income ideas online either pay very little or take years to work. In this video, I'll show you 7 passive income streams that can realistically generate monthly income if built the right way. These are modern income strategies people are using right now to create financial freedom online without relying on a normal 9-to-5 job forever. 7. YouTube automation channels. YouTube remains one of the strongest passive income opportunities in the world. Millions of videos are watched every hour, and creators continue earning from old content long after uploading it. The best part is that you no longer need to show your face to succeed. Faceless YouTube automation channels are becoming extremely popular because AI tools now make video creation much easier. A single successful channel can generate income through multiple sources at once. Ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital product promotions can all work together. Many creators fail because they quit too early before the algorithm starts pushing their content consistently. The channels that survive long enough often become digital assets generating monthly cash flow. The key is consistency and quality. Uploading videos regularly while improving titles, thumbnails, and storytelling slowly increases growth potential. Over time, older videos continue producing income while new videos bring additional traffic. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most realistic online income streams because you do not need your own product. You simply promote products or services and earn commissions whenever someone purchases through your referral link. In 2026, software companies and AI platforms are paying larger commissions than ever because subscription businesses are extremely profitable. Many affiliate programs now offer recurring monthly commissions. That means one customer can continue paying you every month as long as they remain subscribed. This creates predictable recurring income over time. YouTube videos, blogs, TikTok clips, Instagram pages, and email newsletters all become traffic sources. Once content starts ranking or going viral, affiliate commissions can arrive daily without constant active work. This is why affiliate marketing has become one of the favorite business models for digital entrepreneurs. 5. Selling digital products. Digital products are powerful because they can be created once and sold repeatedly without inventory or shipping. In many ways, this is one of the purest forms of scalable online income. You are turning knowledge, creativity, or systems into downloadable assets. In 2026, digital products are everywhere. People buy AI prompt packs, online courses, templates, editing presets, Notion systems, thumbnail packs, ebooks, stock music, design assets, and automation guides daily. The demand keeps increasing because people want shortcuts, solutions, and tools that save time. For example, a simple $25 product sold 20 times daily creates serious monthly income. Many creators underestimate how valuable small digital products can become when paired with an engaged audience. Once systems are automated through email marketing and content funnels, sales can happen around the clock. 4. Dividend investing. Unlike many online business models, dividend investing is one of the more traditional forms of passive income. Instead of creating content or selling services, you invest money into companies that regularly pay shareholders a portion of profits. Large companies often distribute dividends every quarter, and building a strong dividend portfolio can eventually create reliable monthly cash flow. Many wealthy investors focus on dividend stocks because they combine long-term growth with recurring payments. While dividend investing usually requires upfront capital, modern investing apps now allow beginners to start with very small amounts. Over several years, consistent investing can transform into meaningful passive income. Many financially independent people use dividends to cover monthly living expenses. 3. Print-on-demand stores. Print-on-demand businesses allow people to sell custom products without managing inventory. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, phone cases, and accessories can all be sold online while third-party companies handle printing and shipping. The most successful stores focus on passionate niches instead of random designs. Fitness communities, gaming fans, pet lovers, motivational themes, and trending internet culture often perform well. Social media platforms and short-form videos are excellent traffic sources for these products. 2. Blogging and niche websites. Many people think blogging is dead, but that is far from true. The internet still runs on information, and millions of people search Google every day looking for answers. Niche websites that provide useful content continue generating passive income through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital product sales. The smartest blogs focus on evergreen topics. Finance, health, travel, technology, online business, self-improvement, and education are examples of niches with long-term demand. Many website owners earn while sleeping because visitors continue arriving through search engines every hour of the day. 1. Building a personal brand. The most powerful passive income stream in 2026 is building a personal brand. This is because a trusted audience can be monetized in multiple ways at once. A strong personal brand allows you to sell products, promote affiliate offers, secure sponsorships, launch courses, grow memberships, and attract business opportunities. Attention has become one of the most valuable assets in the digital economy. People trust creators more than traditional advertisements. Whether through YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, X, or newsletters, creators who consistently provide value can build communities that support them for years. The best part is that almost anyone can start. A smartphone, internet connection, and consistency are enough to begin building an audience. Over time, content compounds like digital real estate. Passive income is not about getting rich overnight. It's about building systems that continue paying you month after month. The earlier you start, the more powerful the results can become over time. If you enjoyed this video and want more smart money ideas, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future content about online income, AI businesses, and financial freedom in 2026. Your future income streams can start today.